Michael from Ungaraged. We are professional engine tuners. We specialize in VW, Audi, BMW, Mercedes and other Euro cars. We installed an aftermarket Garrett turbo. The reason is they are just more reliable than the factory turbo. When you start tuning and you're doing higher boost pressures, the Garrett is able to sustain its reliability. We tuned it to roughly 400 horsepower, and with future modifications and supporting mods, we can keep pushing up to 450, 500 horsepower before we need to even open the engine.